Hey there, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a UK style Afrobeat. If you know what to do, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So first I'm going to use the chords and of course from my STuts MIDI chord pack which you can get from the link in the description below because it's that diverse. Yes, we can also make UK style beats from the MIDI chord pack. So all I have to do now is just drag and drop and we'll listen to this. All right, so that's fine. Let's add some drums. All right, so let's add some percussions to make the drums a bit more interesting. So let's add some open hats to see how it sounds. So right here we have a shaker loop, but we're not going to use the entire shaker loop. We'll just cut bits and pieces of it. So we just take out some parts. Then of course we had some hi-hats. Then we'll make a simple roll. So one thing that makes UK Afrobeat really stand out is their choice of sound, right? They use a lot of hard bells, right, in their melodies. So we're going to look for some. Okay. Paste it there. Right, I think the sound is fine, but let me switch it up to another sound. Let me try a bell sound from Purity. So I'm going to play a simple guitar melody now. So now I'm going to try some vocal samples from Splice to see if I can get any that sounds or that complements the production. So I'm just going to chop that sample up and repeat it a few more times. So most times I like to use an EQ to adjust the sound, right? I felt like the sample was a bit too sharp and it was dragging some kind of attention from the main melody. So I just use an EQ to push it to the background. Simply taking off the high end can help you easily push sounds more into the background, okay? So that's a trick that I use. Then I think sounds good. We're going to add a reverb. So now I'm going to add another vocal sample again from Splice. So one of the main things that make UK Afrobeats different from Nigerian Afrobeats is the use of 808s. In UK Afrobeats, they use a lot of 808 much more than Nigerians actually use 808, all right? So I'm going to use an 808 to create the bass line for this song. But first, I need to create a continuous 808, which is really easy to do. All you have to do is just select a loop point. Make sure it doesn't click, right? You can see it doesn't click. Then highlight all of it, then just drag it down here. So now we have a perfect 808 that sustains an infinity to it, right? So let's play some bass. So using the ghost notes from our root key from each chord, so we just create the notes. Click the glide mode. Nah, good. So yeah, that's pretty much how I'll put together a UK Afrobeat. And if you did find a thing or two that's useful from this video, from this lesson, please hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with more helpful tips and tricks. And hit the like button so other people can easily find this video so they can learn as well. And we can all make better music together. I remain Sir Classy. See you soon. Cheers.